way to PDF. Please remind me. Thank you. So now, Planswift cannot measure any drawing in 3D. It can only measure in 2D. That is PDF, TIFF, and then DG. So when we look at this one now, you can see our drawing is in PDF. So you cannot bring AutoCAD file. It will not understand it. I should have a 3D drawing here. Let me see whether I can access a 3D drawing. Well, let's just focus on this. So it cannot understand AutoCAD drawing. Yes, 3D drawings it cannot. It is only PDF. So when we click on next, it's going to bring this one, the convert settings, as it is on our screen. Please, are we all following?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So now, you see, under this format, you can easily change the color that you want for your drawing. Probably black and white, probably grayscale 16, probably grayscale 256 shade, probably 16 color, probably 256 color, or true color 32-bit. Anyone you like, but preferably I always use this grayscale 16 shades. Please, am I communicating? So then we can now click on next. Then we click on, you see, it said ready to create job. Then we click on finish. So it is uploading our drawing already. I hope we are on the same page, please. Hello.
Yes, sir. We are all on.
Yes, we are following.
All right. So we are uploading our own drawing too, right? Aisha Fakule, good afternoon, ma. What's your question? You raise up your hand now. Okay, there's no question. Is my guy here with me? So please, do we all have our drawings here? Please, are we on the same page, please?
Yes, sir, we are.
Mine is showing blank here.
A blank? Why?
Yes.
Proper. Who else is experiencing such problem too?
Me. Okay, I've seen it now.
All right. Is there any other person that is not having the same drawing as we have it here?
Me too. I cannot find it.
A blank?
Ouch.
Who else is experiencing a blank page, please? Let me take a quick distance. Olagunju Asantai, you have a question, sir?
Yeah, about the solution to the blank.
Oh, probably you should you probably miss out a step while trying to import the drawing. I will advise you unload the drawing. That is, like, you go out and then reopen it while you follow the same process, please. Or for the sake for you not to miss so much, for you not to miss anything, probably we should just continue with what we are doing here, and then after the class we can relate, sir. Do you understand me?
Okay, no problem. Thanks.
All right, you're welcome. So this is the drawing as we have it on our screen. So as I stated, this is a foundation plan. Also, let us note something, please. You see, in most cases, when probably we are in entrance level, probably in 100 level, 200 level, we usually made a mistake, which is we using architectural drawing to take off for foundation quantities. You know, they will just give us a plan, like architectural plan, and they'll be like, okay, let's go and take off and all of that. So I will advise that whenever you want to do anything foundation, you use structural drawings. Like, you use your structural drawing details to get your quantities. Why anything superstructure? I hope we all understand superstructure. Yeah, I'm speaking to my bosses and then professionals. So why doing superstructure? You can easily use your architectural drawing. Please, is that clear to us all?
Yes.
All
Yes,
right,
sir.
sir. All right, sir. So now we now have our foundation plan, or let me say foundation trench plan here. So the first thing we are going to do here is that we click on this scale. We can all see scale now. So before we do that, our horizontal length here is 23,850 mm. And we should all remember that we actually use we use metric while we are trying to import the drawings. So now we have 23,850 along the horizontal axis. You know, why I was presenting the first time, I said for us to have accurate drawing, we should take a very long length on our plan, and then while we measure horizontally and then we measure vertically. All right. So now we can click on this scale. When we click on it, it will bring this up. You have standard, we have FIS, I will take that again. Please, if I'm moving too fast, please let me know, please, so that we won't miss out anything. So we have our drawing here. You can see when you have your mouse, you can easily zoom in and then zoom out. You can easily zoom in and then zoom out. So now we now have scale. We have scale here. When you click on the scale, we want to scale what we have on the drawing. That's to establish our correct length and then width on this drawing. So we can easily click on the scale. We come to this scale, we click on it. You can see. So other scale, we have standard, we have FIS, we have metric, we have auto. So it is very important that we note that we are using this metric. We are using metric. So now, what's our length that we have here? We have 23,850. When we convert it to meter, that will be 23.85. You know, it is in mm. When we now convert it to meter, it will be 23.85. Please, Are we on the same page as I am, please?
Yes,
Please,
sir.
please, if you have any questions,
Yes, sir.
please just, all right, sir. Thank you so much. So now we have 23.85. We click on OK. So we click on OK. So we are going to start. We can see this drawing is out to out. You know, I'm very sure we are conversant with drawings. Probably we do architectural courses in our schools and all of that. You can see we have out to out. This one here that I'm trying to like click on, it is out to out. You can see we have a dimension line here to this point like this, right? Why something like this, the like of this one like this, here from here, they are more of like in to in. You know, we have like 3 type of dimensioning. We have in to in, center to center, and then out to out. So now we are going to measure this length. You can see as I zoom out very well now. So we click on it. We click starting from where it started. We can now go back to our screen. Let's start now. We click on it. You can see this a blue, a kind of a blue line. We click on it while we take it to the end. You can see a type of how do we call it? A 4 diagonal distance like this, like a vertical and then horizontal. 4 cardinal points. Yeah, it's like 4 cardinal points. You can easily use it to bisect what you want to take. Yeah, so you left click so as to stop. So when you left click, it will automatically generate what we have. You can see we have 23,850, and then we have 23.85. Please, who doesn't understand what I just did now?
Please, can you come again?
All right, no problem. Let me delete that. So for us that has established it, you can easily click on that green, on that tiny green line. Click on it. So when you click on it, you can easily press delete on your keyboard. It will delete it. So it has deleted. So let's take that scaling again. You click on scale. We click on scale. When we click on scale, we have metric, right? We are using metric. That is, what we want to measure should be in meter, as we have cubic meter, square meter, and then we have meter. So we click on this metric while we input our length. You know, the length is 23,850 mm. So we now converted it to meter. So when we converted it to meter, that will be 23.85. Please, have you all typed that? 23.85. So, and I click on OK. So when we click on OK, and I said the drawing is out to out. I'm very sure we all understand that. So now we use this 4 cardinal points to bisect this. You can see so as to have like accurate measurements. So as to have accurate measurements. So when you click on it, it will generate this kind of a blue line. While we click the end point, this is the end point. You can see we click on it. So you can see we have 23.85, which represents this 23,850. Please, do we get that?
Yes, sir.